In this video, I'll show you how to create a subscription in Stripe dashboard. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and click Customers in the menu on the left. If the customer doesn't already exist, click Create Customer, enter their details, and save the profile. Once the customer has been created, open their profile and click Create Subscription. Stripe will ask you to select a product and a pricing plan. If you haven't created one yet, go to Product Catalog, create a new product, add a recurring price such as monthly or yearly, and save it. Turn to the subscription page and select the product and price you want to use. Next, review the subscription settings and make any adjustments you need, such as adding a trial period, applying a coupon, or changing the billing date. After that, add a payment method if the customer doesn't already have one on file. A credit or debit card is the most common option. Once the payment method has been added, review all the subscription details one final time and click Start Subscription or Create Subscription. Stripe will then activate the subscription and automatically charge the customer based on the billing schedule you selected. If needed, you can return to the customer's profile at any time to edit, pause, resume, or cancel the subscription. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a subscription in Stripe dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.